Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, jobs, roads and water. Those three things are at the top of the agenda for residents of East Portland as they get ready for a by-election in the constituency. The JLP's Anne-Marie Vaz and the PNP's Damian Crawford will face off this Thursday, April 4.
So who's leading? Those results and more from the latest RGR Gleaner Group's Don Anderson poll.
Now, 508 persons from all 5 divisions in the constituency were interviewed between March 26 and March 29.
And the poll has a margin of error of plus or minus 5%.
Here's TVJ's Andrew Chisholm with that report.
Portland, an awe-inspiring parish known for its natural greenery and a cool place to chill and relax. But the temperature is up to fever pitch as residents in the east prepare for a by-election. Their needs are many. Most important,
40% of all persons we interviewed felt that jobs was a critical factor, critical need in East Portland, 40%. That was followed by 24% who felt that the roads were desperately in need of repairs, that's 24%, and 17% who felt that an improvement in the water supply was an absolutely critical need.
Other needs include educational opportunities and tourism. Now, the Southern Coastal Highway project is expected to come on stream soon. 110 kilometers of road will be rehabilitated from Harborview in Kingston to Port Antonio, Portland. 82% of respondents feel it will bring economic benefits to the constituency. 6% disagreed and 12% did not know. And now, the big one. How will Portlanders in the East vote on Thursday, April 4?
40.7% of all those persons that we interviewed said they would vote for Anne-Marie Vaz. Against that, we had 34% who said they would vote for Damian Crawford. So there was a 6.7% gap in favor of Anne-Marie Vaz on this particular voting issue.
19% is undecided and 6.3% said they will not vote. So why put an X beside the head for the PNP's Damian Crawford?
26% of the persons we interviewed who said they would vote for Crawford said, well, we believe he has a vision for the constituency that we would like to see unfolding. That's 26%. We had 22% who said they would vote for Crawford because they've always been a traditional PNP supporter. So that's a loyalist factor, 22%. 13% believe that he's somebody who has a very strong vision for education specifically.
Other reasons listed, Crawford is intelligent and will provide better leadership. The supporters of the JLP's Anne-Marie Vaz also stated why they would put an X beside the bell.
33% of them said she has demonstrated that she will work, 33%. 18% said they would vote for her because we just need a change. We've had the People's National Party for a while, we need a change. That's 18%. 13% said they would vote for her because they've always voted Jamaica Labour Party.
Other reasons listed, Vaz has better plans and they want to give her a chance.
The polls tell us that the Jamaica Labour Party is in with a good chance of winning the election, but with the margin of error at 5%, plus or minus 5%, at 6.7, a lot would clearly depend on the machinery on election day. The poll was conducted, the fieldwork ended on Friday last, so we wouldn't have captured the benefit of Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and the momentum perhaps of campaigning by each of the two parties.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.